Hi guys, what's up? So guys, welcome to the class, welcome to the session today. Myself CA Abhishek Bansal, I am from Mumbai and I take law and audit at CA Intermediate and at CA Final Audit. Now guys, for all those students who are appearing in September 25, I have an amazing video for you, I have an amazing file for you guys. I have compiled super 30 concepts, super 30 questions which has a probable chance of coming in the exam. Now, I know the next question would be like, sir, where to get this file, how to download, where to download it from. So guys, do not worry, I will let you know where will you find out this file. Now, before that, if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and do like this video and comment and share with all your friends so that maximum people get the benefit of this video. Now, I will explain you what exactly the Super 30 is made of. So, the Super 30 file is made considering the pattern from May 24, September 24, Jan 25, May 25 and eventually your September 25 ka exam. Number 2, we have considered this attempt ka RTP and this attempt ka MTP, both MTP1 and MTP2. We analyze what concept have been asked, what has not asked, what has a more probable chance in coming in this upcoming exam. I am not saying that 100% question will come from here, but you should focus on this question, focus on this concept with more clarity, more conceptual clarity, so that if it comes in the exam, you can easily answer this question. Okay, I have already shared the analysis in the group, in the Telegram group, so that you can download it from there and understand the analysis and then study this Super 30 questions. Now, when I talk about CA Intermediate Law Super 30 questions, now first understand this file, then I will let you know from where you can get this file. Now, so from the first chapter, we have made it like a chapter wise. So definition में से free reserve का definition, small company definition, foreign company definition, net worth का definition, financial year, holding and subsidiary. If they are not asking you from this file as a descriptive question, guys, they may definitely test you in MCQ. Number 2, section 8 NPO wala answer. Section 8, the procedure for incorporating a section 8 company, and if it's a section 8 company, if they're contravening their objects, what is the penalty basically and what options the tribunal has, all those, they will sell the asset, merge it with section 8 company. Remember that concept? Same concept. Third, section 10A ka concept, it may come in the exam. What are the documents to be given while incorporating the company? We have written in the handwritten notes. Okay. Then section number 11. Then section 12.5, change in the registered office, the situational clause, state change, city change but ROC do not change, ROC change. Then within local limits, outside the local limits. Then alteration. So section number 13 is all alteration. Okay. Then section 19, subsidiary cannot become the member of holding company, very important. Section 20, service of documents, and then the definition of explain securities. What does security means? Now, in prospectus chapter, shelf prospectus ka MCQ plus definition. Then minimum subscription ka concept, section number 39. Section 42 talks about private placements. Then section 50, 51, 52, that's calls in advance. Then calls in advance is there. 52 securities premium, 53 is discount, 54 sweat equity, 63 bonus, 68 buyback. Okay. Then 59 is dividend on face value, nominal value, paid up value. So all this is then shares wala chapter. Then definition of deposits, exempted deposits ka list and eligible company ka definition. They can definitely test you in MCQ. Then section 77, 79, 80, 83, 87. This is charges chapter. Then meetings में section number 92 annual return, 96 AGM, 102 2 business, 103 quorum, 4 chairman, 105 proxy, 118 119 minutes, 120 that's basically AGM, contents of AGM wala. In dividend chapter, section 123 and 127. In accounts of company chapter, section 128, that's basically books of accounts, 130 reopening, 132 nafra they can test you in MCQ also, 135 CSR, 136 will talk about your circulation of FS. 141 subsection 3 will talk about disqualification, very important. 144 prohibited, 147 penalty for the auditor. This is auditor ka chapter. So meetings, dividend, accounts of company and auditor ka chapter. Okay. Then in FEMA, when you talk, we have PRI, PROI, CAT and CUT. PRI, PROI, CAT and CUT ka list. GCA में definition of affidavit, financial year, immovable property, there's a typo error, immovable property, good faith and official gazette ka definition. In GC I have written some section number 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15, 16, 27. We have written in the handwritten notes, you can check that. In interpretation we have little construction, mischief rule and harmonious rule. This is adjus de generis, the word is wrong, adjus de generis, external to interpretation. In LLP we have section 5, 7, 9, 10, 13, 17, this is for MCQ. plus descriptive mein they can test you in 24, 25, 27, 30, 31, 37 and 42. Then prohibited cat, this is not cat, prohibited cat, this type of prohibited cat ka list, 5 items are there. Difference between fixed and floating charges, and rule 3 of dividend. Rule 3 of dividend for sure it will be there in the exam. So these are the 30 questions what we have finalized, 30 concepts, which 30 pointers I would say. Focus this, trust me, you will clear in the exam. 50, 60 for sure you will get it. Now to connect with me, you can follow my YouTube channel, okay? You can connect with me on Instagram also. If you have any doubt, you can speak to me, and you can connect on Telegram also. This Telegram is specifically dedicated for CA intermediate, where I take both the subjects, law and audit. So you can connect with me, okay? So you will get this file, in the description. In the description of the video, you can download from there, or you can take it from the Telegram. If in case you are not getting, just message me, sir, I am not getting the Super 30 file, can you please share? I will reshare it. Okay guys, so try forwarding this video to maximum people, so that maximum people get the benefit of this file and they clear in the exam. Okay, bye guys, take care, enjoy, and aim for a rank or 70 plus, whichever is earlier. Ab ki baar September par, ab ki baar CA par. All the best.